hi. You caught me dumpster diving again. Let's go make some sea glass. Hi and welcome back, my friends. I'm Marcie. Today's video is all about taking ordinary bottles that would otherwise end up in the landfill, and we're going to be making some beautiful sea glass. Sea glass? What? Are you kidding me, Marcie? No, I'm really not kidding you. Sea glass can be made into beautiful jewelry pieces as well as garden ornaments. I have some blue bottles, and I am just unboxing my new rock tumbler that I bought at Harbor Freight. Yay! It is a dual drum rotary rock tumbler, a 3-pound capacity. So, without further ado, let's go have some fun. Well, for sure, this tool is really packed well. Well, it comes with extra bands. It looks like it has 1, 2, 3, maybe 4 extra bands, 5 extra bands. Okay. I used my fingernails for it, but it wasn't pretty. And then this piece has to also come off. Okay. Woo! All right. So I have the 2 drums, and it's set up like this, and I took apart this top and the top part right here. It didn't come off without a struggle. The important thing that I have to remember is the order that they came off in. I've got safety glasses and gloves, a pillowcase to put my bottles, my bottle, and a hammer. Let's go to work. After smashing the glass, I'm simply going to separate the pieces, all the larger pieces that you see here, and put them into the vessels. I've already started filling these up, so I'm not going to fill up too much more. You do want them around this size, nothing too small. The small pieces you can just basically discard unless you have another project for them. This is the ring around the bottle. But a lot of these are fairly usable. And I have to keep in mind also for what I'm using it for. I am doing a garden project, so it's not necessary that I have them so tiny, because my garden project is going to be something like this, where I have a bridge. It's a dry riverbed where there's usually river rocks underneath here, but I decided I thought I might want to do some mixtures of rock as well as sea glass. Probably more sea glass than not. And that's out in my garden. So that's my project that I'm working on. But if you want pendants and that kind of thing, you could also snip it to more your size, and then you put them into the vessels here. So according to the directions, the glass gets filled up about halfway. You put in water to cover it, and then you add the grit, which is number 1. I'm gonna add about 4 tablespoons. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. And then we add a little bit of pellets to fill up the space a little bit. That also helps aggravate the wash. My jars are filled up a little bit more than halfway. It's about halfway, I'd say, with the glass as well as the little pellets that we're using, these pellets. And we have the water. All right, then we put this on, and then this, and then this. Voila. All right, do the other one. And just make sure it's secure so that it doesn't leak. It doesn't seem to be leaking there. Put here. This. There you go. Ta-da! Success. So now it's going to be like 6 hours later. No, I don't know. I don't know how long it's going to take to smooth these out. I was told that it might take several days, but you keep it on basically 24 hours and you let it run for a couple days. This one is only, it's glass, so I'm just trying to smooth down the sides and frost. Basically, we're doing it so we can make it look like sea glass is what we're trying to do. And this is a really nice use in the gardens for garden pathways. It's a great upcycling and it's a great upcycling idea. And I'm really excited. I'm just so excited, like blue glass, green glass, burgundy glass. So cool. Okay. And we're off. I am so stoked. Look at this beautiful glass. It looks like it's been ebbing and flowing in some stream or nearby ocean. Completely without edges. It's all been burnished. Look at that. Nice. This is the before and this is the after. Keep in mind, I'm using this for my garden project with the bridge, and it's a dry bed, normally with river rock underneath, and I'm using the sea glass mixed with the river rock. It will be a pretty look. I will make an addendum to this video at some point when I'm finished with the project so you can see what it looks like. But right now, I am happy that I'm saving all of this beautiful glass from the landfills. It's such a green way of doing things. Yes, my friends, it's very easy to make sea glass in a rock tumbler. All you need is a lot of bottles, a lot of time, and a lot of patience. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you'd like to see more creative lifestyle videos, please be sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed yourself. Thank you so much and have a beautiful day.